Afternoon, guys. Decided I'd do another little test run with my Husqvarna 346xp. I'm going to use it on the same log that I was using that Echo CS-490. So anyway, we'll see see how it compares to a known runner here. So anyway, stand by. Oh, also wanted to mention this 346 also has a muffler mod on it as well. No porting, just a muffler mod. There we go. Anyway, went through there pretty easy, but we'll have to check the times. But it looked like to me like that the Echo was pretty close to that 346. So anyway, talk to you later. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed it. You can see it picked up a little bit of better throttle response, and we'll see if we get a little power, see what kind of power we produce. Okay, as you can see, did a pretty good job on cutting that log. So anyway, if you got in the market for one of these little saws and not happy with the performance with the stock form, do a muffler mod. It's very simple and easy to do, and you'll pick up probably 15, maybe 20%. So hope you like it. Bye bye.